like I'm wasting my time. Feel like I'm wasting my life. Sometimes you just got to slow down. I'm pretty them.
Hey, what's happening, guys? D-Mill is here, chilling on a Sunday, making a video. So last night, guys, I went out to a club, but you know me, I can't just go to a club. So when I was at the club, I thought to myself, what kind of content can I make? So I saw this girl with blue hair. It's a girl that I've talked to before. I couldn't remember her name, but then I've seen her around. So I was in like the lounge area, and I said to myself, hey, this girl with blue hair, she make a nice prop for my video. That might sound bad, but you know, she looks cool. So I said, hey, come here, do me a favor. Can you just come here and just talk to me while I record? Well, she was like, yeah, sure. You know, what are you doing it for? So just promotion for a freestyle, because that was the intention. This was going to be like promotion for the freestyle for this song right here that I did on Friday. But what ended up happening was I ended up onboarding her on Steam, because she asked the question, hey, where are you going to post this? On Instagram, on Facebook? And I was like, no, not really. I'm going to post on new era social media, blockchain based social media called Steam. And she was like, really cool, tell me more. So I did. And I told her about Steam, how it works. And then she asked if can she just post pictures like Instagram? So I introduced her to Apix, and I showed her how Apix looks and works, and she was impressed. And she was like, yeah, how do I sign up? So I onboarded her. She's gonna wait for her account. And the good thing is, I said to her, you need to understand Bitcoin, to know how to use this, if you wanna cash out or transfer funds. And she was like, yeah, I do Bitcoin, I have Bitcoin. I was like, nice. So this was a smooth onboarding, guys. I think she's gonna like it here. So look out for her, guys. I'll put her name below, if I remember the name she signed up as, just same as her Instagram name. But yeah, guys, it was a cool onboarding, and it made me realize that, hey, the best way to onboard someone on Steam is to figure out what they like and kind of walk them through that specific application and have them using that, because Apix got her attention. Maybe Steam Monsters might get someone else's attention. Maybe Taste Steam, someone who likes going to restaurants. Recipe Steam, someone who likes recipe. Art Zone, so different dApps for different people. So I think it's good to introduce people to dApps that will interest them at first and grab their attention and have them active on Steam. So that's something I realized today about onboarding. It's good to show the person a dApp that interests them at first, which is kind of obvious, but just being in this situation made it more obvious to me. I'm more conscious of that now. So yeah, guys, interesting, and keep in mind the first thought was just to make a video so I could play my song in, basically the background video for my song, So yeah, guys, enjoy the footage, and happy onboarding, guys, because we gotta onboard these peeps. Have a good day, guys. D-Mill is signing out.
Sometimes you just got to slow down. I'm pretty thing them will worthwhile, something worthwhile. Do the thing, bless up the world and let judge a smile. I said to a liability, like clothes, make them hand it down to my child. Big empire, may I pray. Me and my brother, them I pray. We just attack it up to the ceiling. Financing, what a good feeling. Give the world some nice healing. Natural vibes, I will believe in. Positive vibes to the world, to the universe, galaxy. Yeah. Big up Florida Keys. It made the rhythm with this. We just make feel good music, make you dance and feel so at ease. Feel like I'm wasting my time, feel like I'm wasting my life. Sometimes you just gotta slow down. I'm pretty thing them were worthwhile. Feel like I'm wasting my time, feel like I'm wasting my life.